In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable large cursor in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot switch control. When I see switch control, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the switch control screen, I start scrolling down through the available options. I keep moving slowly until I find the setting labeled large cursor. Once I see it, I tap the toggle to turn large cursor on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed enabled and everything looks right. If I ever want to turn it back off, I can just tap that same toggle again, so it's very easy to adjust whenever needed. Now I'm backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap switch control, scroll down and toggle large cursor on or off again. If I leave it enabled, I'll usually spend a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enable large cursor on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and change whenever